Have you ever wished there was a way to speak directly to the universe to make your desires so clear and powerful that it couldn't be ignored? Imagine if all it took was a pen, paper, and 5 days of deep intention to call in what your heart truly wants. That's the essence of the 55 into 5 manifestation method. And while it may seem simple on the surface, the magic lies in the repetition, because repetition is how the subconscious mind learns what to believe. Here's how it works. You take one clear, concise affirmation written in the present tense as if it's already happened, and you write it down 55 times each day for 5 days straight. That's it. But don't let the simplicity fool you. The power of this method is in the focus, the emotion, and the unwavering clarity you bring to that one sentence. Let's say your intention is to attract a new job. You wouldn't write, "I want a better job," because that still places the desire in the future. Instead, you write, "I am so grateful for my amazing new job that pays me abundantly and lights me up every day." That sentence becomes your mantra, your spell, your signal to the universe. You write it 55 times each day, not just to fill a page, but to feel it, to anchor yourself into the frequency of already having it. Every repetition is like tapping gently on the door of your subconscious, saying, "This is who I am now. This is what's real for me." As you write, you may notice shifts. Some days you'll feel excited, like it's already done. Other days, doubt may creep in. That's normal, but keep going. The discipline of returning to your affirmation, even when your mind resists, is what begins to overwrite the old story. You're not just repeating words. You're reprogramming your beliefs. You're saturating your inner world with a new truth. And once your subconscious accepts that truth, your outer world starts to catch up. The number 55 isn't arbitrary. In numerology, 5 represents change, bold, transformational change. Repeating something 55 times creates an emotional and energetic imprint, strong enough to shift your vibration. And doing it for 5 consecutive days creates momentum, anchoring your desire deep into the subconscious. It's not about forcing a result. It's about aligning your inner state so fully that manifestation becomes inevitable. Think of it like tuning a radio. Each repetition moves the dial, bringing your frequency closer to the reality you want to receive. The clearer the signal, the faster the reception. This is more than writing, it's ritual. So create a sacred space around it. Light a candle, take a few deep breaths, turn off distractions. Make each session feel intentional. By the end of the 5 days, you will have written your desire 275 times. More importantly, you'll have felt it, visualized it, and begun to believe it. That's the shift. That's when things start to move. You might get a phone call out of the blue, a conversation that opens a door, a feeling of calm certainty replacing your old anxiety. These are signs. They're whispers from the universe saying, "I heard you, and here's the secret." Most people miss this method is not just about getting the thing. It's about becoming the version of you who has the thing. Because when your inner identity shifts, the outer reality must rearrange to match it. So if you're ready to try the 55 into 5 method, choose one desire, one intention. Don't scatter your focus, don't rush it. Pick a sentence that feels exciting, inspiring, and true, even if it's not real yet. Then show up. Write it 55 times every day for 5 days, with emotion, with belief, with love. By the time you're done, you'll be different. Not just because you wrote the words, but because you felt them, believed them, became them. And that, more than anything, is how manifestation works. The universe responds not to what we say, but to who we are. So write your new story, become the new version of you, and let your reality rise to meet it.